a single common denominator they share. And what Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. I became infatuated with art because of, and I call it the like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis of sound. Predicated on linguistics, language. A lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
Yeah. A lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So humor is predicated on linguistics. So logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
We're all stand-up comedians. Everything.
I don't.
You know, for the one doing the interviewing, I don't think you are.
I'm trying to contain myself and be professional. Sorry.
Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
Was it end of the stick? So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other. Right.
It's not a tell. That would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it was. I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's create
Solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else.
Evidence is a sort of circular.
Well, I know
Mirror
something.
projection.
I mean, I know you're
Hertz was actually named after it. When you double the frequencies,
We pause between
lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend... You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
No, that was the cocaine
Just
or
pull
what,
up
but
Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled.
How
Let me hear that.
Just pull up Teletubby.